Just wanted to take a moment and talk about Gettysburg. Gettysburg is a huge battlefield. Unfortunately, we didn't have the time to see everything there, but what we saw was very sombering, and just appreciate all those who sacrificed to preserve our union there. It was deeply emotional, and although the pictures capture some of the beauty of the surrounding area, and it is beautiful, and they've tried to keep it exactly as it was during the time of the Civil War. It just doesn't capture, what actually took place there. We are grateful for, our people who fight for our freedoms, whether it's here at Gettysburg, the USS Arizona Memorial, the 9/11 Memorial, just many places throughout history where people have made the ultimate sacrifice for what they believed in, and we really appreciate that. So with that, just keep in mind that, Gettysburg, it looks beautiful, but there is definitely a reverence associated with that place.
Whoa, that's tight.
Gotta stop and take a ticket. So, it's that time, joke of the video. So this man goes into the grocery store, and he's shopping. He goes down the frozen food aisle. He's grabbing Hungry Man frozen TV dinners. He's grabbing frozen burritos, hot dogs, and things of that nature. And he heads on up to the cashier, and cashier, she's waiting while he unloads his basket. And anyway, so she asked him, so are you single? And the man's kind of a little half embarrassed and kind of says, yeah, how'd you know? She said, well, you're freaking ugly.
Oh my God.
All right, there you go.
I asked Father to put up the thing to hang the vacuum right here, and he installed it, but he put it on sideways because this won't hang, and this fits in like that. I don't think this is right.
There was resistance to the brutality and immorality of slavery from the beginning, but there were never enough voices.
The next stop sign, turn right.